Hi, I'm Dr. Kelli Ferry, an audiologist. One of the common questions I am asked is if a hearing test hurts, and no, it does not. The first thing we're going to do is look in your ears to make sure that everything is clear and there's no wax in the way. After that, you may have something called a tympanogram, and that is just a slight pressure on the eardrum to assess the movement of the eardrum. After that, we will put headphones on your ears and we'll be presenting beeps. And the beeps are not loud, they are actually soft in nature. We are looking to see the softest sound you hear at each pitch. It's actually a very quick and easy test and definitely does not hurt.